Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will see. In the last video, we saw that how we can create feature lines, so that uh, we can create and locate and identify all those feature as they are in our road alignment and around our road alignment. So how they influence it. So later, I just put some of these and I've already shown you how to create one of the methods. And another method that is easier, you saw last time, like every time we were clicking the points, it used to ask us about the grade. It used to show a grade, and that is actually a bit slower. So there's another method that we can use to create, and that's a bit faster as well. So let's start with the another method. So the another method is here you have a feature line, and this is to create feature lines from object. Okay, so what objects? Maybe it may be lines or polylines. Okay, so let's create a polyline. And when you create a polyline along, like if you snap to those points and create a polyline, then it will automatically take that elevation. So let's say PL is short for polyline, and this is snap and keep throwing. You won't be interrupted by asking about the grade. Okay, so I will say skip because maybe here, as you see, it has already crossed. It's enough to demonstrate a particular feature, how we can project this to our cross sections. Okay, so now we have already created a polyline. Okay, so two parts we can just say join, and they will be joined. Okay, if they are in the same plane. Okay, so this is joined. So now we can create a feature line. So go to the feature line and then say create feature line from objects and select this particular one and say enter, and it will install. And basic as this is, and you can erase those entities. This particular polyline will be now erased, and that will be converted to the feature line. Okay, so you can assign elevations and yes. Okay, keep conversion option and which point you will do it. For the while there is another advanced option to do it, and then continue. So insert grade break, and we don't need to intermediate. Okay, relative part to the surface. Okay, so okay, so this one is created. You can even change this to the same because these are the same road. Okay, so earlier and we can just, okay, we can just match property and change all back to all. So now we have this particular feature line. Now let's see what we can do with this one. So it is intersecting, this one is existing road, and it is intersecting this particular our alignment here. So how can we see, one of the methods is to measure, but how can we see where it exactly intersects? So this is 720. Okay, so let's go to this cross section at 720, maybe somewhere here. Where is this 760? Okay, 720. Okay, this is 720. So select it. Okay, where you want to project your, so select, and here in this launch pad, this option, you will have option to project object to view. So in this view, okay, so just select this, and then it will ask for an object um, to be projected on that particular cross section. So here I see it, so we just select that object, and once it is found, so say enter. Okay, and then it will ask you for, so here you will have all the option to manipulate and manage the levels and the point styles. Okay, the way it actually projects itself, the crossing, where the crossing, marker style, and crossing level style, and other options. So say okay, and now go to that particular cross sections where we have projected. So seven, okay, it's already selected. So here you can see, so this you can adjust, you can even drag it down and adjust, but this adjustment we will see later when we will put a level and adjust all these cross sections and make our own style. Right now it's in a default way, default view. So this is it for this video. So stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with a new video.